I was asked to do a very simple fall DIY because some people said that my DIYs are a little complicated. So, okay, let's do this. This is a window frame from Target's Bullseye Playground. It costs $5. You can make this out of 4 picture frames from the Dollar Tree and glue all the edges together. There are 100 tutorials out on how to do that on YouTube already. So I purchased this from Target because it just saves me a step and it's only $1 more. Next, this is some canvas art that I found that has little like birch trees with fall colors. So we are going to take it out of the packaging and glue it down to our Target window. So next I'm going to glue down a bunch of little leaves randomly, however I like them, on the glass, signifying like falling leaves. These leaves all came from Dollar Tree last year and I just saved them all. They were individual in the pack. Dollar Tree has individual leaves in the pack this year also. I don't know if they have these glittery leaves or not because I already had some, so I didn't look for any. But I really like the size of these and I like the color. Next, I have some little adornments that came off of some Dollar Tree picks. These are a couple of pine cones. I have this little pumpkin. It was in my stash. Dollar Tree does sell these on little picks, so you can get them, and little berries. And if you saw my last 2 pumpkin wreath forms, you know I have a ton of these little berries that came from Dollar Tree. They come on a long pick. So let's glue some of these on for a little bit of extra. As you can see, I changed my mind about the bow. I didn't really care for it once I got it on there, and I moved the one pine cone over to the other corner. So now we are just going to add the word fall across my canvas and we'll be done. Here's my final project, and again, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Like I said before, the window frame came from Target. It is in the Target Bullseye Playground and it is $5. You can do this with Dollar Tree picture frames and glue them together. They have them in white already, but if you don't like the size that comes in white, you can spray paint or hand paint some that come in black or brown or gold or something like that. I think this would be really nice with a whole frame in gold or silver around it too, or even brown because it's like a traditional fall color. Then all of the leaves that I put on came from Dollar Tree, but last year, I don't know if they have exactly this pack of leaves. I just randomly put them around, as you saw, no rhyme or reason to it, and I think it turned out really nice. I also used pine cones that came on some picks there, like I said, and my little canvas in the back came from Dollar Tree as well. That basically was in the pack of canvas art that there's a variety, an assortment of them, but I've seen this exact canvas at about 6 Dollar Trees in my area, so you should be able to find it. If not, Dollar Tree carries greeting cards, and those would be really nice to emboss on a Dollar Tree canvas and then put over a window too. So also I used my Cricut Explorer Air 2 machine that I showed here on my channel before to print out the fall and put it down. It is in vinyl. However, Dollar Tree carries tons of stickers, and you can use stickers for that, or else you can just get, like I said, a greeting card that says something on it, and then you don't even have to print off anything. Or else, if your handwriting is really nice, you can print it off yourself. So that's it for this DIY. It's really simple and easy to do and fun. Your kids can even do this with you. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.